My name is Martina Pezzino. I'm a certified nutrition consultant, and I am so excited to partner with Banyan Tree Women's Collective to bring you this workshop on Toxins 101. Have you ever tried to read the labels on your cleaning products or your personal care products? It's honestly like a different language. Or have you seen products labeled as clean and wondered what the heck that even means? This workshop is for you. We're going to dive into what toxins are, where they might be hiding that you've never thought of, how they're impacting your health, and what we can do about them. You're going to walk away with a list of ingredients to avoid in your products, and we're going to do some spring cleaning together to help prioritize where we should start making those healthy swaps. I have seen with so many clients and with my own health journey that reducing our toxic exposure is a huge piece to healing our bodies and achieving our wellness goals. If you want to learn more, be sure to register at banyanwomen.org, and I hope to see you there.